Hi guys, this is Dylan and welcome to a Subway Surfers Let's Play video. And in this video I'm going to be obviously playing Subway Surfers. And it's going to take a while to load, so so please don't leave, please don't exit the video. So if you do, I'll be very unhappy. But here's a tip, put on your paint power jetpack to glide the style. Okay, so tap to play. Tap to play. But for some reason I can't get the sound working. Probably because I'm in a video. B for beam. That there in the top right corner with the sort of pig nose, my friend Sam. Put on YouTube, is known as Minecraft Expert Sam. And he's on my he's in my circle on Google Plus. Yeah, and I just crashed there because I was looking at that ugly face. Oh, the E. It's easy to get. Whee! And there he is, back. And if you have any other games that I could play, stick it in the comment section. Don't be afraid. If you can't, then it doesn't really matter, because you have to be a YouTuber to stick something in the comments. And I don't really edit my videos because there's no point in really editing, because like it's cartoon sort of videos, and as you are titled for time, I'm gonna go for 10 times and then I'm gonna end the video. Hopefully I get a prize box on this. And if you don't know what a prize box is, it's basically where you get a box and there's a prize in it. And at the top there you see I got a notification saying that I got an achievement and 500 in one day. Key, yay! Got a key. And the reason why keys are so special, because you can save yourself, which I won't be doing in this video, because, like, as I said, I'm going to die 10 times, and then that's going to be it. The video done. So that's 3 times I've been dead. If you want to download Subway Surfers, it's free on the App Store, on Android, Apple, and I think it might be Samsung. Yes, a prize box. It's got a prize box. There you see my friend Sam. The edited photo is up on the screen again. And by the way, me and Sam are going to be doing a vlog on Monday when we go bowling. So we'll be doing a vlog then, and yeah. you'll just see us both in real life together, because we're like best friends. And I saved myself that time, because I shouldn't have really died. And yes, I did just miss that Hollywood filming thing. Taps are open. Oh, I got another key. So I'm on two keys. And the reason why you can't hear the game, because in videos you can't hear games on this app. I downloaded to record games. Yeah, it's really annoying. So otherwise you could hear that fat policeman like going, hey, 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 yeah. Yeah, so stick it in the comment section whether you want me to do more videos on this, or just more basically vlogs, like my first video, which is called My Setup. So if you want to know a very unhelpful setup of YouTube, then I'd suggest that's not really the video for you. So it's my first ever video, and I didn't really know what to do, because people usually do their setup on the first video. Whee! Another prize box. And by the way, if you wonder why I just done that, rolling while I got the prize box, it was because it's better luck. And with these jump boots, you can jump up onto trains. Yes, I've got double jump. Oh, maybe I don't. I think that's the fifth time I've died. And I might just do 2 more dies. Okay. So I'm recording this early in the morning. Barely got any sleep last night. So I was doing my first video, which is called My Setup. And I done my second video, Hit the Buddy 2 demo. And another one. And if you double tap on the screen, so you get a hoverboard, which basically gives you 2 lives. Look, if you crash, gets rid of that train. Yeah, so I think I might use hoverboards for the rest of the video. But as you see in the bottom left corner, it does run out of power. And by the way, if you haven't heard the news, there is a real hoverboard in real life. Tony Hawk rides it now. The hoverboard did run out, but then I got a new one and crashed. And you start off with 5 keys. I use them all in one go. Got a sack of coins. The best prize you can get is spray paint. through there, guys. I was just checking my boosts if I could get any. Though I am quite glad I couldn't, because it's like sort of cheating in videos. It sort of edits out some bits in the video for you, which I think is a mega cheat with recording. And I'm on my last try here. I will do save me on this one, unless I find keys, and then if I find keys then I'll show you how to unlock things. Save me. Magic, 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 oh, I got the magic in me. In the description, put your favourite YouTubers. Mine personally is Stampy Longnose. Just put in the comment section who your favourite YouTuber is. That was unfair. I went straight into it. Look, I'm at the top of the leaderboard. Asking. I'll do one more just for the video. Yeah, so remember in the description, write your favourite YouTubers, and might be able to do a sneak peek on meeting them. I don't care if you don't put me, so I'm a very new YouTuber. Stampy Longnose and I Blissed is squid are my favourite YouTubers. And I'm a Minecraft. But as you probably don't know, I'm only allowed to watch one Minecraft video per day. So I've just narrowed it down to I Blissed Squid and Stampy Longnose, Venture Maps and Survival. Bolt. Leave my sock alone. By the way, guys, my dog's here, and he's a very cute dog, aren't you, Bolty? He's a Bolty Boo. And his name's Bolt. Cutest dog you ever see. He's got kennel cough at the moment, which is a disease going around. And I'll end the video after one more try. Trying to get a Bolt. Bolt, leave my sock alone. Leave my sock alone. Yeah, you can probably guess he's got my sock. And you can actually jump up onto the roof with these boots if you want to train. Ah, there's a fat man. He's the policeman. Ah, tried cocky there. Yeah, and so that is basically it for the video. And see you later. And remember, comment section, favourite YouTubers. Don't forget to put it. And please, if you can, drop a like. And I'm not telling you to, but if you like the video, please subscribe to my channel.